The Magical Christmas Eve. On Christmas Eve, a little girl named Lily hung her stocking by the fireplace. "I hope Santa comes tonight," she whispered to her teddy bear, Barnaby. That night, as Lily slept, a magical sleigh flew across the moonlit sky. It was pulled by 8 reindeer, and a jolly man in a red suit held the reins. Santa landed softly on the roof. With a twinkle in his eye, he slid down the chimney with a big bag of toys. Inside, he found Lily's stocking. He filled it with candy canes, a shiny new ball, and a small wrapped gift. Then he saw the Christmas tree. It was decorated with sparkling lights and colorful ornaments. Under the tree, Santa placed a big, beautifully wrapped present. He knew it was just what Lily had wished for. Before he left, Santa enjoyed the milk and cookies Lily had left for him. "What a thoughtful girl," he said with a smile. Then, with a nod and a wink, he went back up the chimney and flew away into the night. The next morning, Lily woke up and saw her stocking full of treats. "He came! Santa came!" she shouted with joy. And under the tree was the most wonderful present of all. It was the best Christmas ever.